Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy S20. Same works also for S20 Plus and the S20 Ultra. So first of all, let me tell you, whatever language you have on your phone or whatever letters you have on your phone, the symbols and the positions I will show you now are always the same. Okay, then let's start. So just scroll down here and then we have here the symbol for the settings. Tap it. So then we have to scroll down until we have the point General Management. It's this one with a symbol to adjust things. Then we need the first point, Language and Input. Then we will need again the first point, Language. Okay, there's a notification, just tap on OK. If your language is already here in that list, just go here and edit and move your language here to the first position. After, go back, tap here on OK again, and everything is in German now. Okay, let me change it again to the English language here, so that I can show you it a bit better what to do if your language is not here part of that list. So in case your language is not part of that list, we need that plus symbol here at language. And then we choose the language you want to have. Maybe let's continue here with English to show it better. And yeah, let's choose then the dialect after, maybe from the Philippines. Greetings, by the way. And yeah, now we set up as directly as default language. And now after we tap on OK again, it's on the first position. So now we have the language English with the dialect of the Philippines. Yeah. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.